If you are using Mac OS system, I just plug this CableCreation USB to stereo adapter keyboard to my MacBook Pro. This is my Android headphone. If you are using AirPods with 3.5mm plug, you can also refer this video. If you are using TRRS CTI headphone 3.5mm, you need to plug it to the black port. And then let's go to Apple iPhone system settings and sound input. Here you can find two input devices. One is MacBook Pro microphone. The other is CableCreation type USB. So if you are choosing this 3.5mm headphone as your input source, you need to choose CableCreation as your input microphone device. If you are using this kind of external microphone, TRRS, you need to plug it to the pink port. And you also need to go to Apple iPhone system settings, sound, and you also need to choose the input device as CableCreation. In this connection, your external headphone would work.
Plug it to my Windows 7 operating system. The driver was installed automatically. Plug this TRRS headphone jack. You need to plug it to the black port. On the right corner of your desktop, you can see the recording devices. You can get a CableCreation microphone. Make a CableCreation as your external microphone. If you are using Capture, you need to set CableCreation stereo adapter as your microphone device. If you are using TRRS microphone, then his MK600, you need to plug it to the pink port. Let us go to the right bottom of my desktop. Recording devices. Here we can see the recording devices is chosen by CableCreation. If you can see this, it shows that the default microphone is CableCreation. If you are using some software capture, you need to go to the settings like this. You need to choose CableCreation as a microphone, or the sound would not be recorded.
This is my Windows 11 desktop. I have connected the internet. If you are using this kind of microphone, RS synthesizer MK600, you should plug this to the pink port, plug to my desktop, and we should choose the input device CableCreation. Then I will show you in the Zoom software how to test the external microphone. Let us play Zoom software and open the setting. And here we can get the audio. Look, test microphone. You can see that when I say something, and we can see the microphone just showing. If you are using this kind of headphone, it has TRRS. You should plug it to the black port. Don't plug it to the pink port. Choose CableCreation. Let's go to the Zoom settings. Check the audio. Let me say something. Hello? Yeah, here we can see the microphone. Choose CableCreation. The adapter just worked.